Hey everybody, my name is Taylor Perry. I'm here with the one and only Matt Collins of Matt Collins Group with eXp Realty. We're going to talk real quick today about, is my house still going to sell in this market? Because things are slow, right? I mean, is my house still going to sell if I list it?
So, we are still very much in a seller's market. Short answer is yes, your home is still going to sell, right? But as a real estate agent, this is where kind of the fundamentals come back, where we start talking about pricing strategies, we start talking about staging, we start talking about maintenance. The last couple of years we've seen a really abnormal market, right?
Yeah.
And even in the lending side, I think you can agree.
Absolutely.
We've seen rates that we'll never see again. We've seen inventory shortages that have just caused appreciation levels through the roof.
Mm-hmm.
But now that we start coming back to what I dare say a normal market, right, or some regular trends that we see, we've got to go back to the fundamentals. We've got to make sure the homes are priced correctly, right? And in that case, we're still seeing homes sell incredibly fast, right?
So let me ask, before you'd list your house, sold in an hour.
Sure. There's still pockets. So here in Southwest Ohio, there are still pockets of the city that, whether it be Dayton or Cincinnati, that homes are still selling in 24 hours, multiple offers over price.
Yeah.
But generally, as a whole, we're getting more days on market, right? Which from a buyer standpoint is really kind of a breath of fresh air.
Yeah.
We have time to think about things now instead of just rushing into a decision. But again, if we price it right, those homes are still selling very quickly. And when I say quickly, a couple of days, right? So we're not quite 24 hours,
Sure.
right? But we're not 15, 25, 30 days on the market. As long as we do everything the right way, it's just a couple of days.
So if you list your house and it doesn't sell in 24 hours, don't forget.
That's right. And that's the biggest thing is to reminding clients, don't panic.
Yeah.
It's okay. This is normal, right? We've just
Gotcha.
gotten so accustomed to running so fast and furious.
And again, that's not normal.
Yeah,
So,
that's right. That's right. So just a welcome break back into the normalcy of the market.
Well, good deal. Well, thanks for answering the question for us today. And please continue to watch our videos, and please feel free to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.